In this video, you will learn how to see all users on Windows 11 PC or laptop. First, press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open Settings, or go to Start button and search for Setting. From the left side, click Accounts, then on the right side, click Other Users. Here, you can see the other user accounts added to your computer. You can click on an account to see options such as changing its account type or removing it from the PC. Just be careful when removing an account because its data may also be removed from this device. Microsoft also lets you manage whether an account is a standard user or an administrator. If you want to see family accounts, go back to the Accounts page and click Family. This will show accounts connected to your family group. There is also a quick way to see all local user accounts, including built-in accounts. Click the Start button, type Command Prompt, and open it. Now type Net User and press Enter. You will immediately see a list of user accounts available on your PC. You can also use PowerShell. Open Start, search for PowerShell, and open it. Then type Get Local Users and press Enter. This will display the local user accounts on your Windows 11 computer. And that's it. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe.